All right, so I went ahead and implemented the fountain simulation before finishing the void simulation because I had to implement some new math to apply force changes to the particles. Previously, I had been designating the direction and speed of the particle by using a vector, an xy coordinate that was relative to the current position, but I switched that to specify travel direction with a direction angle and a magnitude, and so the math needed to change on how I applied forces to change that. Sadly, I couldn't quickly find math that did that in the magnitude and directional domain, but I can easily convert the magnitude and direction into a vector, do the math by just adding the vectors, and then convert those values back to magnitude and direction, angle and speed, if you will. So that's all working now. You can see pretty much like the previous fountain. I don't have the wind turned on, so they're just going on their initial directional vectors of travel, but you can kind of see as they go up and they start to turn as they reach the peak of the gravity pull there and come back down. And so as you can see, not they're running here, but I was mid-work on something here. Trying to get these guys. As you can see, they're not quite working yet, so that's why we're stuck with that. And the magnet one, of course, still works. Everything runs very fast, but yeah, we can got multiple things running now, which is cool. We saw that before, and feels good to have got that finished up, and now I can go back and try to work on the voids again, and hopefully get those behaviors working more correctly. Yay!